Hey guys, what's up? I hope you're doing well. So the purpose of this video is to show you exactly what I did to make commissions promoting a particular product. So I'm going to show you exactly step by step what I did, and this involves no money investment of any sort. So it's completely free and beginner friendly. And make sure you watch this video and stay tuned till the end, because at the end of this video I'm going to give away something free, which is really going to blow your mind. So stay tuned for that. So without any further ado, let's get straight into this video. Before I get started with this tutorial, I want to show you proof that I have actually tried and tested this method. As you can see, I have earned almost $50 with this product using the exact same method which I'm going to show you. So this method really works. The first thing, obviously, since we're doing Facebook, you're gonna have to go to Facebook, and you want to pick one niche that you're gonna focus on. And I recommend that you choose a niche either in the weight loss industry, uh, or either in the spirituality niche, or the make money online niche. So I am in the make money online niche, uh, which is why I'm going to show you how to do this in the make money online niche, right? So the process and the concept is really simple, but it will need time. Like, you've got to invest time in this method. But if you stay till the end, I'm going to show you a tool that I use that freed me a lot of time. Very powerful. So you've got to go on Facebook, obviously, and under search you want to find in groups that are related to your niche. So in my case, it's affiliate marketing. So I went to type in affiliate marketing groups, right? Just filter it to groups, and as you can see, I have joined many groups in my niche. Now the trick is, you've got to find the right audience, the right people to target. Like, for example, something like and I also recommend that you join groups where there is a sign up process. Groups that are public generally have been already flooded, and there's just too much of spam and scamminess in those groups. So you want to avoid those groups. So something like this, this group, affiliate marketing groups. It's a private group which has 2,500 posts. So that's an indication that this group is active. So if I visit the group, and it's going to open up the group, and what you want to do is, you don't want to come in here and start promoting your product. Please, for God's sake, don't do that. You will get kicked out. The best thing to do is introduce yourself, and every day answer people's questions in groups. That's all you have to do. You've got to provide value to people. You've got to establish yourself as an authority in a specific group. Trust me, guys, this works. Just be patient and dedicate your time. Answer people's questions, and even if people don't ask questions, then maybe you can add value posts, address some of the false beliefs and the problems, and address them in a manner which people can understand. Trust me, after people see you again and again, they will start regarding you as an authority, and trust me, they will come to your profile and they will send you a DM. Now, that's the second part, is where we're going to have to optimize your profile. So there is a very nice guide which I am going to link down below. If I go here, like all this information here, guys, I have paid for it. I'm just going to give it to you for free. So if I come over here, if I look for the specific PDF guide, one second guys, please bear with me. This is the profile setup guide by my mentor Aaron. So I have paid for this, right? So I'm gonna give it to you for free. So you're gonna go through this step by step, and you're gonna do exactly what this guy tells you, or what's in this guide. Very, very important, guys. Very, very important. Okay, so I'm just gonna link this below for you guys. As in, I'm not gonna charge you anything for it, but that's a separate issue. Now we focus on groups, right? So you, as I said, you want to establish yourself as an authority on the groups, and pick 5 groups. Start off with 5 groups that you will dedicate your time daily to go in and answer people's questions and adding value. Try it for 1 month, guys. Give yourself 1 month. Once again, 5 groups every day for 30 days. Trust me, you will see results. And also, in the groups, you want to come over. This is how you're going to accelerate your sales. You want to come over to where it says members, right? And where you see where you see people who are new to the group, you want to start adding them as friends and start messaging them and build a rapport, build a relationship with them. And obviously you will not send them an offer on the first day, on the first go, because people hate that, guys. So build a relationship with them and ask them what they're up to, what they're working on, what are they struggling with. And if you find that your offer can help them, then provide them the offer. And if they are not struggling with anything, and if your offer is not going to solve their particular problem, then leave them, go to the next person, guys. So what you're going to have to do is add 50 to 60 people every day. Trust me, guys, you want to add 50 to 60 people every day. This is exactly what I'm showing you how I earned how I earned this commission. So if I go back, this 48 of almost $50, I did the exact same thing. I obviously I didn't make this on the first day. I think this I actually made this sale on the 4th day. So I was actually doing exactly what I'm telling you. I was providing value posts, answering people's questions on 5 particular specific private groups which I joined. And also in the members area, I started adding people, 50 people a day, and I messaged every single person. Every single person had every single person that I friend requested was in my inbox. So obviously not everyone is gonna reply to your messages, but trust me, it's a numbers game. The more people you add, the more people you're gonna start interacting with, and the more sales you're gonna make. So 5 groups for 30 days, add 50 people every day, and you want to get your inbox flooded with people that you're going to be daily having conversation with. I try and reach a point where you can have 15 to 20 conversations daily with people. Now I understand you may have an objection, because obviously a lot of people want to spend time adding people and requesting friend requests and messaging people, because that will take a toll mentally and physically, guys. That's why I recently came across a software which automates this entire process for me. So I'm going to show you exactly how the software works, right? So so as you can see, if I go into my extension over here, it's actually a Chrome extension. Just wait for it to load. Yeah, this is how the interface looks. I have 3 tags for 3 different audiences, and if I go in, example, if I go in, this is a ClickFunnels group that I am part of. So if I click into it, and I have already set up my message templates and message segments. So if I go to message segments, I have an intro, question, and welcome message. So if I go to intro, sorry, if I go to welcome, there are my different variant messages that will go out automatically. I'm going to show you exactly how it's going to work. So this is what you do before you start setting up, before you start using the software. You set up welcome messages, different variations, so you can test them out. Hi, hey, hey there, hey name, blah 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 blah. Save, and I have a question which is going to be sent out as well, and I have an intro. Right, so that's under one particular tag. So for example, if I want to send if I want this tool to request to add people for me, I'm just going to simply type in the number of people I want added. So for example, I want 5 people to be added, and I'm just going to pick my tag, which is ClickFunnels, and I'm just going to press start. Now this tool is actually going to do the work for me. As you can see, this tool is running in action at the moment. So this tool is going to send out a friend request to the number of people that you wanted it to send out to, and it's going to send out a message automatically. So I'm just going to stop it for now, because you get the idea. Yeah, so step 1, create a Facebook account. Then join Facebook groups in your niche, and pick 5 groups, private groups. I recommend it, and start adding value and answering people's questions in those 5 groups. And thereafter, you also want to add people under the members section. You can either start manually adding people and messaging them, or like I showed you now, you can use this tool which will automatically do the work for you. Now if you want to get this tool, it is a paid software, and it has a 7-day free trial, which obviously you can, it's a bonus for you, because you can use this tool 7 days for free, and if you like it, you can continue or not. And also, once you join, as a bonus, I'm going to give you in-depth free course or training program that's going to show you exactly how to benefit this tool. Now this tool will be explained, or this program, sorry, will be conducted by the partner of this program, and he's going to show you exactly how to use the tool. So the link of that will be in the description below. Yeah, so this is all I have, and of course I will also link down below the profile setup guide ebook, which you can take advantage of. So that's all for today's video. I will be back for more tips and tricks, and because I want to show you exactly what's working for me, guys. No hype and all that sorts. Unlike other YouTubers who will show you stuff but don't actually tried it, but they haven't actually tried it, and they literally just uh, explain to you an idea. So I am putting my money where my mouth is, and I'm showing exactly what I did. Thank you for watching this video till the end. So as promised, I'm going to share with you uh, the free gift, which is linked down, the first link you find in the description. Click on that link and join in the free 5-day challenge with my mentor Aaron, who is a master when it comes to affiliate marketing using Facebook. If you go through that 5 days challenge and take action, I promise you, you're going to learn exactly how to make your first $1,000 with high ticket affiliate marketing using Facebook. Only Facebook. That's all. So if you're really struggling with traffic when it comes to converting high ticket affiliate marketing sales, then make sure to check out and make sure to check out the 5-day challenge and go through it. Yeah, so the link of that will be in the description below. So once again, thank you. I hope you found value in this video, and until next time, take care.